Hi guys, so a couple of things. I realized I received this in the mail the other day and I totally forgot about it, and now it is on HSN's site. They just brought it out, so if it's something you're interested in, I will have the link in the description box, and those will be affiliate links. It means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. But the reason I'm going to do this video real quick, even though I already have a couple other videos out today, it's been a busy time. I'm going to try and do the rest of the diamond press videos tomorrow. Hopefully, it may only be 2 of them. I think I have 3 left. They brought 5 new items. They do have 6 items on HSN, but one of them is the auto ship. Not auto ship, right? So there's an option to not get the auto ship for the hidden messages. So that's why it looks like they have 6 items, but which is kind of weird because they usually put it together. You just choose if you want auto ship or not. But this just hit the site, and then I have some happy mail I think I'll do real quickly. So I think that'll be good because I'm not gonna have time to do this whole video just right now. I just finished making bread, I made some soup, the kids need to eat. Like, there's lots going on, and you guys understand that, I know. There's a lot going on with you guys too. So this, I literally just got, like 2 days ago, maybe 3 days ago. I didn't realize what was in here, but I saw it was on their site, and it clicked in my head. I thought, oh maybe that's the thing I got the other day, because I didn't even open it. It's a Salon Nouveau craft box, The Finishing School by Anna Griffin. It is not inexpensive, okay? So I think HSN wants $59.99 for it right now. I don't know how much it was on auto ship because it was so long ago I didn't pay attention to that part recently. Like I have no idea. I'm assuming it's about the same, maybe 54 or something. You know, they usually give you like a little discount, but so it's already available for people to buy. But it does say going fast. That's why I was like, when I saw it, I thought, okay, I'll do the video over the weekend. That way people can see if they like it. But it's. And you never know. Is that a gimmick when they say going fast? It's just because you're looking at it, but I think it's because a lot of people are looking at it. So, just so you know, so I'm just going to unbox it because that's about all the time I'll have, but it looks decked out. I really do like these boxes. So again, I don't know if my little code showed, but I really don't care. I don't even use it. I've never used the finishing school codes. I love this. I love the dies that are in here. So I will do the review for it probably. What day is today? It's Sunday. So if you bought it, great. You'll see the review. If you're waiting to see the review to buy it, it might be gone. But again, the finishing school is decked out. They always have really good stuff in here. So look at the little butterfly. It's backwards, but I'm sure it's gorgeous. Ah, come on. Oh yeah. And then all these die cut pieces with all that gold foil on them. We have our toppers. It looks like there's probably about 20 of them, I would say. I'm sure you'll have the information there. Where's the good stuff? Is it way down here? Is it not in here at all? That would be really sad, wouldn't it? Hold on, let's see what's going on. Okay, they're at the bottom. Woo! All right, don't fret, guys. It's there. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love this. They remind me of like some like old school kind of fancy note cards. Look at that. Just real matte and pretty. And then back, they would say handmade by on the back. I don't know what I just said. There's that cute one with the foil there. It's really, more than cute, it's more elegant, really. This nice one here. Kind of a peachy coral color. And this pretty one. They're all really gorgeous, but this one I really like. I just like the kind of simplicity of it. Okay, so then they have the papers. These are, again, toppers mostly for your die cutting, because if you put this on a topper, you're going to cover your whole card. But, gorgeous stuff. And again, if Anna's your thing, if she's not, then this is not your thing, right? But there it is. I wonder, if the die is cut like, it's like grayish blue in here. This one, but maybe you can just see. Okay. Envelopes, all kind of a cream color. Of course, the gold, matte gold paper, which is awesome. That's always great cardstock. I bought it by itself just because it's good stuff. And then I have my dies down here that I can't barely pick out. So, really nice big die here. Let's see. And again, I said I don't have time because I gotta move on, but because you never know. Sometimes when you go to make a card, I always think, oh, this will be fast, and then the video is like however long. It is legit 5 by 7, like right at that edge. So, really cool because you can cut the whole frame, or you can cut the inner part cuts away from the frame. So this whole thing does cut out. It's not an inlay and then the frame cuts out. This will cut out too because there's an edge, a cutting edge. So you have those two. Embossing obviously, and this one also This inner one will cut out by itself, and then it has an edge frame, an outer frame, so like a shadow or however. And then there's this little piece here that's more like a decorative piece. And then this is pretty cool. They have the square, so it's a square, the inner part, and then the outer part is also a cutout, obviously. And then there's the embossing folder. Really pretty. So that is right now available. Again, you know, do you believe it's going fast? I don't know, but you guys can check that out. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me earlier today. I made a premiere on the diamond press. I thought, oh, you know, it'd be fun to do a premiere because we can chat. So then I said I will do them tomorrow. So whatever I do diamond presses videos tomorrow, I'll try. Well, I will. I'm saying I will. I just don't know if I can announce them more than like an hour ahead because I haven't filmed those yet. So I have to like film them, upload them, and then say, hey, it's ready. And by that time, I just want it to be ready, right? So just keep an eye out for those. All right, guys, I have some happy mail. So thank you guys. I have a few cards here to share. This one is from Tony. And I think Tony sent 2. I check my mail. Tony, this one's hard to open, girl. On the top, I can't even get in there to open it. I hope I didn't cut anything. Okay. Oh, how pretty. Oh, guys, thank you. Just thinking of you. I know Matt actually got back, oh goodness, Wednesday night. And he's doing okay, so thank you guys very much. Unfortunately, he came back with the sniffles and a headache, and I'm like, get away from us. So I already knew just because he's been on an airplane, you're going to quarantine until we know everything's good. And then he shows up and has, you know, symptoms. So even though those are kind of COVID symptoms, but not completely, but they might be because everyone has different symptoms, you know. So he actually took, he went on base and took a test. They're not letting him go on base either, like to work. And his rapid test came back negative, so we're waiting for like the more in-depth test, which I thought was really nice that they did both tests at the same time. They're like, okay, we'll just do them both. So I'm like, oh, that's great. Thank you so much, Tony. I really appreciate it. Thank you. What a gorgeous card. Thank you. And he's doing okay. You know, it was nice for him to see some family and all those kind of things. But at the same time, at this time, it's like, you got to keep it to a small circle, buddy. And that's what he tried to do. And then Tony had already sent this one, I suppose, with the Happy Halloween. So this is also from Tony. How cute. I love the way she made it a little darker in the little flower there, because it gave a lot of depth. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Oh, so sweet. And then I have a card here from, oh, I'm going to keep it over here because her address is on the back. And I don't mind my address because it's a P.O. box. It's always in the description box, so there's that. But let's see here. Oh, and Gwen Eiffel on the stamp. What an awesome woman she was. Let's see here. Okay. Thank you so much. Just letting you guys check that out. Crystal, that's really beautiful. Really simple and just gorgeous. Oh, sweet. Hold on. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, I'm reading it to myself. I really appreciate it. And then she has a card in here at Interwoven Creations by Crystal. Quilts, garments, accessories, and home decor. That is so cool. I love quilting. I just, like I said, I make a lot of toppers and I end up not making any finished products. But there's her information if you want to check out Crystal's creations there. Thank you so much for the card, Anita. You guys have to look real close. I don't want to cut anything from people's cards. Oh my gosh, this is so cool here. Thank you. So this is, I can tell a lot of Anna stuff on here, or at least these guys right here. This is Have a Wicked Halloween. Look at how pretty. And it came through the mail just fine. So pretty. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to read this to myself in just a little bit because she did write a very nice, very nice heartfelt message in here. So I'm going to read that to myself as soon as I get done here. And this is just a little package, and let's see, it just says a last name, I believe, so let me open this up and hopefully not hurt anything because it's a little bit chubby. So thank you guys so much. I know, oh gosh, there's more hurricanes and lots of water coming down in lots of places, so I hope you guys are all doing well. Oh, good thing I had this over here. Oh, you know, I hadn't noticed this. Elaine, thank you, Elaine Koch. She says she's out in Poway, which is where I used to live before I moved here. Handmade cards for every creation, Labrish Designs. I hope I said that right. Pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. Oh, thank you so much. Look at that. That's so pretty. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Thank you so much, Elaine. I really appreciate it. I will share these with my husband. He is upstairs and I'll slide them under the door. I know, poor guy. I was just like, nope. So we're doing okay. Hope you guys are all doing okay and doing very well. And keep an eye out for the new, again, reviews tomorrow. Again, it'll be... I haven't opened the Flutter pop-up things, but now that I see what it is, it's really cute. It has like a pop-up that's like the butterflies and the dragonflies and things like that. And then we did take a sneak peek at the Life is Sweet shaker cards. I know a lot of you guys have already picked these up because you know you're gonna like it. So really cute set. I love this. I love this one that makes the confetti, that makes the hearts and the X's and little hearts. And then this is the one everyone's been waiting for. And like I said, I unboxed it because I thought I was gonna do the video and then I held off, and then lo and behold, HSN released it today anyway. So I will definitely have this for you guys tomorrow. We'll probably be one of the first ones because everyone I think is curious to see how that hidden messages kit comes together. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll have the links in the description box. Again, I hope you're all doing very well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.